Okay guys, where am I? I'm in Arrays 101 in the introduction. So beginner problems, squares of a sorted array. So here we are, squares of a sorted array. Given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order, return an array of the square of each number sorted in non-decreasing order. So here's some numbers, and we need to square them. And then we need to make sure after we square them that they are in non-decreasing order, which is a funny way to say they're in ascending order. Ascending order or increasing order. So we want to look at each number. So step one is to access each element of the array. Step two is for each element, square the element, and then return the array in non-decreasing order, otherwise known as ascending order or increasing order. Okay. That's so annoying how they make everything weird English. So we're going to look at each number. And you might use this. But I'm going to use this. So the reason you might use a for loop over a for of loop is because a traditional for loop gives you direct access to the index and the values, whereas a for of loop simply iterates over the values, and therefore you do not have access to the index, which is helpful in this situation. Is it? Return nums dot sort. We want to sort them, and we can't use sort like this because sort sorts things lexicographically, which means it sorts things like a dictionary. So in the case of a dictionary, 10 comes before 2 because the first letter is 1 and then 2. Sort will take your values and turn them into strings. Turns them into strings and sorts them like they are in a dictionary. Not good. And so the workaround for that is to pass in a function for A and B, and it will iterate over nums, and it'll perform a sorting algorithm where it compares two elements at a time, and whichever element is A minus B. So the result of A minus B. If A minus B is negative, it tells the sorting algorithm that B is larger and to place B in front of A. And then it moves on to the next pair of elements. So it looks at two elements at the same time, and then it decides where to sort them. And it does this for the entire array. So this did not work. Let's use the traditional for loop. For let I equal 0 less than nums dot length I plus plus nums of I equals nums of I times 2.